Hello guys, this is how to change glasses color in Photoshop. Select the quick selection tool over here. Make a selection of this lens. Make a selection of the other lens. Click here and select solid color. Now click OK. Make sure the layer mask is active. Select the gradient tool. Now hold down the control key and left click in the layer mask to make the selections active. Now while the gradient tool is selected, hold down the shift key, left click and hold and drag up just a little bit. Now press Ctrl D to deselect our selection. Now we've changed the color of our glass to black. Now you can also change it to any color that you want. So just double click here and then select any color that you want. You can go with a darker blue or any color at all. Okay, so guys, this is how to change glasses color in Photoshop.